Buying a used car can be one of the smartest financial decisions you make. A good used vehicle can save you thousands of dollars while providing years of reliable transportation. But not every used car is a bargain. In fact, some vehicles become so problematic over time that even an incredibly low price can't justify the headaches, repair bills, and constant trips to the mechanic. Today we will talk about 5 used cars you should never buy, matter how cheap. So, before we start, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. 5. BMW 7 Series Automotive. The BMW 7 Series has long been considered one of the most luxurious sedans on the road. When new, it offered cutting-edge technology, premium materials, powerful engines, and a driving experience that rivaled some of the world's most expensive luxury cars. That's why many used car shoppers get excited when they see an older BMW 7 Series selling for a fraction of its original price. A vehicle that once cost over $80,000 or even $100,000 can sometimes be found for less than the price of a new economy car. But there's a reason these luxury sedans depreciate so heavily. While the purchase price drops dramatically, the maintenance costs don't. As these vehicles age, owners often face expensive repairs involving air suspension systems, electronic control modules, cooling systems, fuel systems, and complex engine components. Modern luxury cars are packed with technology, and when that technology begins to fail, repair bills can quickly reach thousands of dollars. Even routine services such as brake replacements, battery changes, and diagnostic work tend to cost significantly more than on mainstream vehicles. 4. Chrysler 200. At first glance, the Chrysler 200 seems like a great used car deal. It offers attractive styling, a comfortable interior, modern technology, and often sells for very affordable prices on the used market. Unfortunately, its reputation for reliability has prevented it from becoming a popular long-term ownership choice. Many owners have reported recurring issues involving the transmission, electrical systems, engine performance, and overall build quality. One of the most commonly discussed problems involves the automatic transmission, which can exhibit rough shifting, hesitation, jerking, and in some cases complete failure. These issues can appear unexpectedly and often require expensive repairs. Electrical problems are another common complaint. Owners have reported malfunctioning sensors, warning lights, infotainment glitches, and various electronic system failures that can be difficult to diagnose. As the vehicle ages, these problems may become more frequent, turning what seemed like a bargain purchase into a constant source of frustration. 3. Nissan Altima, Certainty Model. The Nissan Altima has earned a reputation as a comfortable and fuel-efficient family sedan. But certain model years equipped with continuously variable transmissions, commonly known as CVTs, have raised serious concerns among used car buyers. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions, CVTs operate differently and are designed to improve fuel economy and smoothness. However, some older Nissan CVTs became known for premature wear and failure. Owners have reported symptoms such as shuddering, slipping, delayed acceleration, overheating, and complete transmission breakdowns. In many cases, repairing or replacing the transmission can cost several $1,000s. The challenge for used car buyers is that these issues may not always be obvious during a short test drive. A vehicle can appear perfectly fine one day and develop serious transmission problems shortly afterward. This uncertainty has caused many automotive experts and mechanics to recommend caution when shopping for older Altima models. 2. Land Rover Range Rover, Old Model. The Range Rover is one of the most recognizable luxury SUVs in the world. It combines elegant styling, premium comfort, advanced technology, and genuine off-road capability in a way few vehicles can match. On the used market, older Range Rovers often appear to be incredible bargains, especially considering their original 6-figure price tags. However, Many experienced mechanics and automotive experts warn buyers to approach these vehicles with extreme caution. Older Range Rovers have developed a reputation for expensive repairs involving air suspension systems, electronic components, cooling systems, drivetrain components, and engine-related issues. These repairs are often complicated and require specialized parts and labor. One of the biggest traps is depreciation. Buyers see a luxury SUV that once sold for over $100, now available for a small fraction of that amount, and assume they're getting a fantastic deal. What they don't realize is that maintenance costs remain closer to those of a six-figure luxury vehicle than a budget-friendly used SUV. What makes these repairs particularly challenging is the cost of parts and labor. Many repairs require specialized diagnostic equipment and technicians with experience working on luxury European vehicles. As a result, repair bills can quickly reach thousands of dollars, even for issues that might be relatively inexpensive to fix on more mainstream SUVs. Another major factor is depreciation. Many buyers assume that because the purchase price has fallen dramatically, the ownership costs will be similarly affordable. In reality, the vehicle may have depreciated, but the maintenance and repair costs often remain comparable to those of a luxury SUV that originally cost over $100,000. Insurance, premium parts, and specialized service requirements can continue to strain an owner's budget long after the vehicle has lost most of its value. 1. Fiat 500. Taking the number 1 spot is the Fiat 500. Its charming design, compact size, and European styling have made it appealing to many buyers looking for an affordable city car. On the used market, Fiat 500 models often sell for surprisingly low prices, which can make them seem like excellent bargains. Unfortunately, the vehicle has struggled with reliability concerns throughout its lifespan. Owners have reported a wide range of issues, including electrical failures, transmission problems, engine-related repairs, suspension concerns, and general durability issues. While some vehicles perform adequately, the overall ownership experience has been inconsistent compared to competitors in the same segment. Electrical problems are among the most frequently reported complaints. From malfunctioning sensors and dashboard warnings to infotainment issues and power accessory failures, these problems can become frustrating and costly to resolve. As the vehicle ages, the likelihood of encountering multiple issues tends to increase. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comments below. Before you go, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.